Alright, in this video we're going to talk about polygons, their properties, how to name them, things like that. So, definition here, a polygon is made of straight lines and the shape is closed. So it has these two characteristics. All the lines connect at the endpoints of the segments. And we'll talk about that in a second. So let's take a look at some examples here. This first one here, we have a polygon. Notice it is made up of all straight segments and they all connect at their endpoints. And then the second one is not a polygon because you notice it has this curved part over here, which makes it not a polygon. Okay, it has to have straight lines, straight segments. And then here, this is not a polygon because it's open over here. Okay, it has to be closed. And then all lines connect at the endpoints. So a non-example for that might be something that looks like this. So straight, and this is straight, and this is straight. But now if I go like this, and then like that, it is made of all straight segments. But you can see that we have a couple of different sides, like this side and this side, where they intersect, but not only at the endpoints of the segments. So this would not be considered a polygon, although we could consider this three different polygons, three different triangles that just happen to be attached at some vertices. So that's our definition of polygon. So the word polygon comes from Greek. Poly means many, and gon means angle, so many angles. And then a couple questions I want you to think about and write down some answers. And when I take a look at your notes in class, the next time I see you, I'm going to check to see what you have here, and we'll talk about that in class. So what is the least number of sides a polygon can have? So see if you can come up with an answer over there. You will write your answer. And what do you think is the greatest number of sides a polygon can have? Again, you can write your answer, and we'll discuss that the next time we see each other in class. Now, you classify a polygon by the number of sides it has. Okay, so we name it by the number of sides. So some familiar polygons have specific names, like triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon. We'll talk about those. For our purposes, anything more than 12 sides, with some exceptions, we're just going to call the polygon by its number of sides. So an n-sided polygon would be an n-gon. Okay, so if it has 25 sides, we would call it a 25-gon. Now there is a naming structure for polygons. It does get quite difficult, and really we only need to know the names of a handful of ones. Alright, so the last thing that I want you to do is I want you to fill out this example 1 chart with the number of sides of each polygon, and then the number of angles for each polygon, and then again we'll discuss that the next time we see each other in class. So you can stop the video now and fill out this chart, and then when you're done with that, you can go on to the next video, and we will see you there.